in there?
Well,
What is that?
cow.
You know what it's for?
Yeah.
It's for your bathtub. It's a cars that goes in your bathtub on the water.
Yeah, in the water. Let's see.
Oh!
Open
Not tonight. We can have one of these candies and we'll have a sucker in the morning, okay?
Oh!
Oh my!
Open it!
We'll open it in the morning.
It's a pink one.
Three suckers!
It's suckers.
Wow, look at all those
Open
men.
those, guys.
Okay. Yes.
You put me.
Can you put the bag on your head? Let's see.
Silly.
Very good.
Now you can open it.